I'm Luigi from 𝗨𝗡𝗟𝗏, and I'm going to teach you how to roll a pair of underwear for packing to save you space and reduce wrinkles. Let's roll. Step 1, lay out a pair of underwear. Step 2 is inverting the waist and folding it down to create a cuff that is about 2 or 3 inches. Making sure it's nice and even on the front and the back. Step 3 is we're going to take a side and fold it in about 1/3 the width of the underwear, creating a nice straight line. For step 4 is we're going to take the other side and fold it in 2/3 so that it overlaps our previous side. And step 5 is we're going to start rolling the bottom all the way to the top, nice and tightly. And step 6 is we're going to take our hand and put it in the cuff that we made in step 2 and wrap the waistband around the underwear, forming a beautiful underwear burrito. Woo! You did it! You deserve to look your best when traveling, and now your clothes won't have those hideous creases on them and will look great right out of your bag. At 𝗨𝗡𝗟𝗏, we know packing and pulling suitcases is frustrating. We tell you what and how to pack so you can travel easily with just one bag. Go to 𝗨𝗡𝗟𝗏𝗏.com right now to learn how to pack less, carry less, and experience more on your trips. Thanks, and happy trails.